Dear students, class 7th, 11th topic prepositions of grammar and me. Fill in the blanks to answer these questions. Where would you see these whales? In the ocean. आपको ये लिखना है, ठीक है? Where would you wear a tie? Around your neck. NEC के neck. Where is the letter W placed on the keyboard? Between Q and E. How do you separate pulp from juice? Through a sieve. SIEVE. छन्नी जैसे बोलते हैं आप. Where is the river flowing? Under the bridge. BRIDGE. How does Firoz like to eat noodles with? Chopsticks. CHOPSTICKS. Prepositions. अब prepositions स्टडी करेंगे. Prepositions क्या होते हैं? They show the relationship between nouns and pronouns or other words in a sentence. जैसे the book is kept on the table. इसमें आपको पता होना चाहिए कि on किसके लिए आता है, at किसके लिए आता है, in, under, above, थ्रू, ये सब किसके लिए आते हैं. ठीक है, बेसिक रूल्स हैं, आप इसको मेरे शॉर्ट्स में देख सकते हैं, बहुत अच्छे से मैंने समझाया है. ठीक है, लेट्स बिगिन द एक्सरसाइजेस नाउ. ए, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद द अप्रोप्रिएट प्रोनाउन प्रपोजिशंस. One day a little lamb followed Ina from the orchard to the stream. Ina sat beside the rose bush and the little lamb also sat next to her. Ina watched the birds flying towards the trees. A few were getting into their nest. Ina felt it was time for her to return home too. She got up and stepped on a big rock from which she could just jump across the stream. As Ina reached the other side, she looked back. She saw the little lamb trying to balance itself on the pebbles and stones in the stream. It had an imploring look in its eyes. As soon as the lamb stamped onto the bank, onto the bank के ऊपर, Ina lifted it into her arms and hugged it. She decided to take it home and kept it in the shed next to her cottage. प्यारी सी स्टोरी थी ना. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. There is a bridge that has been built across. देखिए ब्रिज जो है वो हमेशा रिवर के अक्रॉस जाता है. ये रिवर होती है ना, इसके पार होता है इधर से इधर ऊपर, तो ये अक्रॉस जाता है. ठीक है. Near our village, the gushing river flows under the bridge. Children who walk on the bridge like to stop midway to look at the flowing river. Sometimes they see ducks wading through. Wading के साथ हमेशा through आता है. The water and they throw pieces of bread into. देखिए किसी का किसी चीज़ में जाना, एंट्री करना, मूवमेंट करना, into आता है. The ducks swim towards the food that they find floating on the surface of the water happily and peck at it. Fill in the prepositions. We exercise. चूज़ फ्रॉम द बॉक्स. बॉक्स में से चूज़ करेंगे. ठीक है. द ब्रिटिश नेविगेटर एंड एक्सप्लोरर जेम्स कुक वॉज बॉर्न ऑन. डेट्स एंड डेज के लिए ऑन आता है. इन द विलेज ऑफ मार्टन इन यॉर्कशायर. ही वॉज अबाउट 13 years old when he first went out to sea in a boat carrying coal to English. Later on, during his term as a naval officer, he was chosen to command a scientific expedition in the Pacific. Fourth, on the task given to him to observe the passing of the planet Venus across the face of the sun. After that, he was expected to explore the great southern continent that lay to the south. On one of his voyages होती है समुद्री यात्रा, he discovered the scurvy could be prevented. scurvy एक डिसीज़ होता है, through cleanliness and by including fresh fruits and vegetables in the sailor's diet. ठीक है. सी पार्ट पे आते हैं, जहाँ पर भी आपको preposition इंसर्ट करनी है वहाँ पे स्लैश लगा देंगे. The boat sailed down the river. Grandma carried her purse under her arms. My father's officer is above the National Bank. Cut the cake into 4 large pieces. We climbed up the hill slowly. Shekhar is confident about winning the tournament. The movie was based on famous novel by Colin M. Kellogg. Somesh did not abide by his promise. We hosted a birthday party for grandma on the terrace. The auditorium is situated at the other end of our school. ठीक है. आगे बढ़ेंगे. डी एक्सरसाइज पे आएंगे. करेक्टली इनको एरर पता कर कर करेक्टली फिल करेंगे। द ट्रेन पास थ्रू द टनल, देखिए टनल होती है गुफा, गुफा के अंदर से जाती है, तो ये हो गया थ्रू। द पीपल वर इन द एम्बुलेंस, किसी चीज़ के अंदर होना, इनसाइड जब किसी चीज़ की बात होती है तो इन आता है। दे लिव ऑन रेडियल स्ट्रीट, एट आता जब यहाँ पे एड्रेस गिवन होता है, 22 गिवन होता है, 22 रेडियल स्ट्रीट एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा। कैन आई पे फॉर द बुक्स बाय द क्रेडिट कार्ड, किसी चीज़ के बाय। जगदीश हैज़ बीन वर्किंग फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम। सोनिया इज़ मैरिड टू, बिकॉज ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, विद नहीं आएगा, टू आएगा। आई एम स्केर्ड ऑफ, स्केर्ड फॉन्ट इन सब के साथ हमेशा ऑफ आता है। देयर आर मैनी टॉपिक्स टू बी डिस्कस्ड इन द मीटिंग। द बकेट हैज़ बीन कैप्ड ऑन द बाथरूम फ्लोर। इन माने उसके अंदर होता है, अंदर नहीं, और ऊपर ऊपर। गौरव स्लीप्स विद द विंडो ऑफ हिज रूम ओपन, थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग सेंटेंस है बट विद इज द करेक्ट आंसर हियर। 11th, डिवाइड द बुक नोटबुक्स अमंग योर क्लासमेट्स। दो की बात होती है तो बिटवीन आता है, दो से ज़्यादा की बात होती है तो अमंग आता है। 12th, वी ट्रेवल्ड इन माई अंकल्स कार। 13th, रवि वेटेड फॉर अस एट द स्टेशन। वी प्लेड कार्ड्स ऑन द ट्रेन। आई एम लुकिंग फॉर माई बुक। द रेस्ट ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन आर कमिंग ऑन फुट। ऑन फुट याद रखिएगा, ऑन फुट होता है हमेशा। माई ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स विल कम ईदर बाय एयर और बाय ट्रेन। I always keep a glass of water beside me when I study. We had a lot of fun in the museum besides learning from dinosaur. Beside की जगह besides आएगा, ठीक है। फिर से एरर वाला आ गया, आपको बहुत अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करनी होती है क्योंकि क्लास 10th में ना इस तरीके से आते हैं ओमिशन या इंसर्ट वाले। फुटबॉल इज़ अ गेम, football is a football game that is played on a table. 8 rods with handles at one end of each rod are inserted at equal intervals through the holes in the football table. There is a goal at each end of the table. 26 plastic players are attached to the 8 rods. The tables are built with different spacing between the players. Each team uses the handles to move their players and strike the ball into the opposing team's goal. The game is fast and funny and can be played with friends and family. You can play for years and never get bored. Got it? चलिए since और for करेंगे। since मैं आपको बता देती हूँ, since आता है जब पर्टिकुलर ईयर या टाइम दे रखा हो। for आता है जब लगभग कुछ बात हो रही है, for a year, for some time। और since 7 o'clock, since 1980 जब पर्टिकुलर टाइम गिवन होता है, ठीक है। लेट्स बिगिन। फॉर इंस्टेंस, फॉर 5 years वी हैव नॉट सीन हर फॉर अ वीक। इट हैज़ बीन अ ईयर सिंस आई वेंट टू कटक। मैरी हैज़ बीन टेकिंग तमिल क्लासेस फॉर 2 years. I have been working on this painting since spring. It has been 2 years since we upgraded your computer. For many years we have been trying to get the president to grace the function. 8th, Grandpa has had his car since 1985. We particular year दिया है ना, since आएगा। We have known our neighbors for ages. For ages means काफ़ी सालों से। The typist has been at work since 8 o'clock. Particular time given है। Mrs. Das has been working in the company for a long time. Sneha has not taken any holiday since the beginning of this season. 13, we have not visited Uncle Chopra for the past 6 months. For how long have you been waiting outside the doctor's clinic? Got it? 6th, दोबारा सेंटेंस को लिखेंगे। I haven't seen Mayur since Christmas. I haven't seen Mayur for 3 days. They have lived in Chennai since 1990. They have lived in Chennai for last 10 years. It hasn't rained in the Thar desert since 1994. It hasn't rained in the Thar desert for more than 5 years. We haven't been to Bengaluru since April. Particular time दिया है आपको। We haven't been to Bengaluru for 3 years. Karthik has not watered the plants since Friday. Karthik has not watered the plants for 2 days. The baby has been sleeping since morning. The baby has been sleeping for 10 hours. Mrs. Bharti hasn't been attending office since August. Mrs. Bharti hasn't been attending office for more than a week. Tanya has maintained a diary since 3 years. ये रॉन्ग है. Tanya has not maintained a diary since she was 10 years old. ठीक है. Tanya has not maintained diary for 3 years. Got it? Ninth. Tim has been a student of this college since March. Tim has been a student of this college for over 3 months. Mr. and Mrs. Das have been married since the time India became independent. Particular time given है. Mrs. and Mr. Das have been married for more than 6 decades. कुछ और प्रैक्टिस कर लेते हैं. चलिए. Fill in the blanks with the correct preposition. H exercise. Grandparents live in the bungalow on that street. As soon as I sat on the school bus, I remembered that I had left my lunch box on my desk. Third, I always make sure that I wear seatbelt when I am in car. Fourth, the school was planning to take us on a trip by air, but now we are going on a train. Fifth, will you please send this parcel to my aunt at proper address given है. Delnas accidentally knocked down the glass that was lying beside her elbow. Seventh, Mandeep is going to visit his cousins who live in Hyderabad. He hasn't met them since they came to Delhi in 2010. He's been traveling to Madhya Pradesh for 2 weeks. Eighth, we have been looking forward to the Holi get-together since the exams ended. We plan to host it at Garima's house. We have already bought organic colors for the festival. 9. The cow jumped over the fence to graze on the grassy pasture under the bridge. तो ये थी prepositions. कैसी लगी? वीडियो हेल्पफुल थी तो मैम को थैंक्स करने के लिए जस्ट आपको थम्स अप करना है. दोस्तों के साथ भी शेयर करेंगे. बाय बाय.